In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice with AI using ElevenLabs without any distortions. Before we dive in, if you find this guide helpful and want to start your own voice cloning journey, don't forget to use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. It's a great way to support our channel while you explore this exciting technology. Let's get started. Once you're on your creative platform dashboard, you'll want to start by navigating to the left panel and clicking on the Voices tab. This is where the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Once you're in the Voices section, look toward the top right of the screen and you'll see an option called Clone Voice. Go ahead and select that. Now, here's where you get to make a choice based on your needs and resources. You can opt for an instant clone or a professional clone. If you're looking for something quick, the instant clone is a great option, requiring just a minimum of 10 seconds of an audio clip or a recording of yourself speaking. This is perfect if you want to experiment and see how accurately the AI can replicate your voice in a short amount of time. On the other hand, if you're striving for the highest quality and most authentic replication of your voice, you might want to consider the professional clone. This option requires at least 30 minutes of clean audio. It's designed to build a fuller, more nuanced voice model that captures the subtleties and dynamics of your natural speech. Whichever path you choose, it's crucial to ensure that your recordings are clean and captured with a high-quality microphone. This step is essential for avoiding any distortions and ensuring the best possible final product. After you've uploaded your audio and the system has generated your voice clone, you'll be able to find it in the My Voices tab. Here, you'll see it among a list of all the voices you've added. This section gives you an overview of all your audio projects, making it easy to manage and access your work. If you wish to make any adjustments, you can further remix or edit your voice clone. Simply click on the three dots icon next to your voice model and select the Remix or Edit option. This feature allows you to fine-tune your voice to better match your expectations or experiment with different modifications. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an AI voice clone, free from any distortions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy voice cloning.